Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the data sufficiency question from CAT 1999 paper. So in data sufficiency, you have a question. You have to figure out that can you find an answer to the question or not. You have two statements given to you. If only one of the statements can answer it but the other cannot, then answer option A is correct here. If both the statements alone can answer the question, then answer option B is correct. If you combine the statements and only then you can answer the question, then answer option C is correct. If even after combining you are not able to get the answer, then answer option D is correct. Okay, the question says Mr. X starts walking northwards along the boundary of a field from point A. Let me draw this here. So Mr. X starts walking northward along the boundary of a field from point A on the boundary, and after walking for 150 meters reaches B. So from A northwards B. So this is A and this is B. This is 150 meter. Now it says and reaches B and then walks westwards. So from B westwards again along the boundary for another 100 meter when he reaches C. So from B, like this is westwards and this is C. This is 100 meter. Okay. What is the maximum distance between any pair of points on the boundary of the field? So option 1 says the field is rectangular in shape. Now if the field is rectangular in shape, I don't know what the rectangle is. It can be like this here, okay, or it can be a rectangle like this. I don't know exactly for sure what the rectangle is. So we just know that this is rectangular. So but when this is rectangular in shape, I can't say that what is the distance, maximum distance between the 2 points. Let's say it is a rectangle like this. Then the maximum distance is the diagonal, okay, or else it can be a rectangle just like this from C and A. Then the maximum distance will be this diagonal. So the two diagonals are different. So we can't for sure say what is the maximum distance between the 2 points if it's just rectangular in shape. So one alone does not answer it. It says then, point 2 says the field is a polygon. It just says polygon with C as one of its vertices and A as the midpoint of a side. Okay. So C is the vertex and A is the midpoint. That means if A is the midpoint of the side, that means from here if I draw this D point, this is also 150 meter. And now C is a vertex of a polygon. So polygon can be like this, this. Again over here it can be any shape. It can also be like this. So in this case, this distance will be the maximum distance. But in this case, maybe this distance is the maximum distance. So over here, there are two maximum distances that I get at 2 points. So I can't just say that if it is a polygon, what kind of polygon it is, I don't know, and then we'll be not able to find the answer. But if I combine these statements, if I combine them, if it is a polygon, it is a rectangular polygon, I know, and C is the vertex and A is the midpoint of the side. So if C is the vertex, A is the midpoint of the side, that means from C, a rectangle has to be drawn like this. There is no other option. So if a rectangle has to be drawn like this, the maximum distance between the 2 points is the diagonal CD, and which we can find out because now we have locked in the field basically. So CD over here is the only option that I get because it is a rectangle with A as the midpoint. That means this is the side 150 which is 300 meter. C is one of the vertex. So from here the other side has to be drawn for the rectangle. Okay. So if I combine both of them, then I get the answer. So answer option C over here is the correct answer option. All right.